Welcome to Riches for My Britches. It is May 13th, Monday, and today is the first day of trading with Schwab. Thinkorswim platform has moved over to Schwab. And one thing I'm noticing already is I cannot place any trades pre-market. So I hope that's something they're going to fix. Yeah. And that's okay. Let's see here. Get a little music on. A little something in the background. Okie dokie. All right, so this is Trade Ideas. This is the gap scanner. This is the Hive Day Momentum Scanner. Down here we have the cheaper stocks. They're the penny ones, the penny stocks, the really cheap penny stocks. And the halt scanner, and also the news. So leading gapper today is ACIU. So the first thing I look at is, do we have news? ACIU and Takeda signed exclusive option and license agreement for active immunotherapy. So we do have news on that one. So we'll take a look at the daily time frame. And right now we're trading up at around $4. So I'd like to mark out some daily levels. 408 is that high right there. It's our resistance. And we have a smaller one here, a rejection, and up here, and up here, and up here at the end of last year. And if we get beyond that, we're looking way, 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 way back here. May as well go ahead and mark that out since the price is pretty close by. So another thing I look at is, does this one have a history of making big moves? And it doesn't really. It's a high volume, mediocre float. It does have a history. So 216 up to 386. That's not huge. But today we're gapping up, 50% on news. So we'll see what happens, what comes of that. I'll load that up on my charts over here to watch. CCLD is our second leading gapper, a little on the cheap side. I usually look for stocks that trade above $2 or $3, somewhere between $3 and $10 or whatever. And I'll trade them as high as 30 or 40 sometimes. Just depends. The float, I like to see a float below 20 million. This one's 10 million. This one here was only 57. This one here was up at 57 million, but I see AMC has been hitting the scan, and that's one I will trade if it gets pretty volatile, and volatility is what we like. So CCLD here had news. It was a downgrade yesterday at 6:30 p.m. Oh, CGC. We have a marijuana stock. We'll take a look at these in a second. It's actually on the gap scan. But CCLD. So it had news yesterday. It's got some kind of news today. And is it earnings or what is it? Yeah. So we have an earnings conference call. Not really a history of making huge moves. So trading at $1.51. We have the moving average at 155. That's the 200 moving average. So I don't like that. And I don't think I'm going to waste a lot of time looking at this one because the fact that it's kind of sold off here. If I look at the smaller time frames, I like this nice little pattern we're seeing, but we're well below. The price is well below the VWAP. I'll pass on that one for now. CGC, a marijuana stock. This one can get volatile. I don't know why it only goes back that far. Let me check my daily settings here. Maximum available. Oh, that's odd. It's been around a lot longer than that. It only goes back to last year. Huh. Yeah, anyways, so it made a big move up to almost $4. But look at it selling off. Yeah, that's not very exciting to me. Had a big rejection back here. I haven't looked at the marijuana sector for a long time. Generally, it's been trading with pretty light volume. I know it's been making some moves over the last few months, but it's been light volume, and so I haven't traded it. Let's look at the next one. KOSS. Well, first off, CGC, did it have news? Oh, my bad. Okay, that's CCG. All right, that makes more sense. Okay, now I know. Okay, I was going to say this didn't look like, because I thought I looked at CGC, cannabis company, a little while back, and it didn't look anything like this. Okay, that makes more sense. I was starting to think it was because of the Schwab update or whatever. But CCG, so yeah, it does have news. It's a partnership. But just the way that it sold off, I'm going to pass on that one too. Let's go ahead and freeze this. So that way I don't lose track of what I've already looked at. Okay, so these two here, CCLD and CCG, I'm not that interested in. KOSS, it's a third quarter loss. Okay, that wasn't today. It doesn't have news today. The fact that it doesn't have news, and it's not really, I mean, it's a continuation of this breakout that we had here a few days ago, but not a big mover. So I wouldn't say there's a whole lot of potential here. We are above the 200 moving average, also trading above, trying to trade above this double top up here of 377. It's a triple top. And there might be something there, but what is it? Is that 5 million in the float? I mean, the float's good. Volume's pretty light. I don't know. Squarespace. Oh, I've been having problems with them lately on my website. I'm trying to make my website and they've frozen it up and I can't seem to get them to hit me back. Okay, so news, yes. It's an investigation alert. Shaw Law Firm announces it's investigating claims against Squarespace. And that made the stock go up. Interesting. No, I don't like this. When I see a stock like this, I tend to avoid it. It's just trading flat. So no thanks. On that one, RXRX, RX. It's a pharmaceutical company. The results are impressive. got some kind of a completion of something called BioHive 2. So it's got news. Light on volume, very 189 million. So it's a higher float stock. Looking at the 1 minute there, it's got some nice candle ranges. You know, it's a little in the upper range. Maybe there's something there. Look at the daily. Let's see. So we're right at the moving average, right below it. I like the daily setup here, but we got to get over the top of, you know, these resistances. There's a double top here at 940. We're currently over that. This one might be interesting. I'll keep an eye on it. Probably put it up on my charts over there and see what we get on it. Load that up on the number 2 slot. Only up 11%. Jan, haven't seen that one in a while. Why Jan 1 shares are trading higher today with 19%. Clear drawing set. What time is it here? We have 15 minutes to go. So it's an acquisition. It's a blockchain. So they acquired a blockchain. Little crypto sympathy. Well, now that I look at the hourly time frame here, I don't really like that. Oh, yeah, no, I don't like that one. So I'm gonna skip that. Further down, none of these look too interesting. So let's take a look at NVAX. I traded that the other day. That's not NVAX. I was like, I know it's not. Okay, there we go. What is going on up in here? There's NVAX. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, Friday. I think it was Friday I traded NVAX. It was a big red day. We're trading back. Trading right around $9.42. So it's a continuation play. Turning the page on financial uncertainty. So they got some news, but it's not really anything significant. I don't know. It's a pretty big red day there. I think you might have a lot of people short on this. I don't know. Maybe it's a wild card. I think you can get up over the high of that pre-market high. You also have this daily high up here of $11. You know, we get over 11. I think I'd be interested in it. I'm gonna put it on my charts as a third pick for now. Let's take a look at what else we have here. AMC was one that was, it's, you know, that's a nice move up. It's earning. Well, it was earnings a couple days ago. It's not earnings today. They had news on Sunday. Well, it was a price target adjustment. Yeah, I don't really see any good news. GameStop is doing some stuff too. We'll take a look at that. Yeah, sure, why not? I mean, it's trending up. Can't hardly go wrong when something's trending up, unless it reverses. And with AMC, I think, no, I can't short that. They're hard to borrow. I don't usually short anyways. So, there's GameStop. Moving on up. We'll take a look at that here in just a second. BTOG, I don't think I liked that one. No, that was nothing. Hood. Okay, GameStop. I didn't trade it too well on, I think it was Friday I traded it. We're up at $25, a little higher price. Oh, we got up over that red candle that we had on Friday, so we're all the way up here. GameStop doing some crazy stuff again. I just want to see. I'm going to switch this over to the weekly time frame. I just want to see what this looks like. All right, so you know it's been a weekly, kind of a weekly downtrend. Got a key level at 1861. We're up against the 200 moving average. So maybe GameStop is, well, no, we're above that now. We're up at 20, 25, 42 all the way up here. So that's a nice breakout. Nice breakout play. I'm gonna watch GameStop. Let's actually mark out these weekly levels here. I think, oops, 10 minutes to go till the market opens. Let's take a look. I don't normally do this. I just want to see what the monthly looks like. I'm just curious. The monthly time frame is a monthly downtrend, but what we want to see here is some really good follow through and a monthly trend change. Long term, would be looking for this bounce to top out somewhere, give us enough room to pull back and form a monthly higher low, and then get that monthly higher high for a trend change. So, you know, we'll see. Get back over here to the daily. All right, I'm going to unfreeze this, take one more look at the gap scan. Okay, so I want to watch this one, but where do I want to put it? NVAX is taking off right now. Let me see here. So I'm looking at ACIU. This was our leading gapper. I don't know about this one. Let's see, which ones do I like the best? Okay. ACIU, I don't know. But it's our leading gapper, so I'm going to keep it up here. ACIU, so we got the daily time frame up here. We're trading all the way up in this $3 range up in this area. But it's consolidating on the hourly time frame, so nice pullback on the hourly. We're looking for an hourly higher low on this. It's a 15-minute downtrend with our support right down here. So will we find support there? I want to see the volume come into this. And what we need to see obviously is a 15-minute trend change and a breakout over that last hourly candle. For now, we got lower highs on three candles in a row. 2 candles in a row. And the candle ranges on this are not the best. GameStop here. You know, honestly, I would like to have a little more time to kind of break these down and kind of study them a little, but I didn't get a chance to really. So we had that high from the day before down at 2020, way down there. So we're moving up. All right, so we got a 50 hourly inside bar here that broke out, coming up to that high, that daily level, which was way back here. Okay, so we had a 15-minute higher low, higher high. After this nice run up, I think we are due for a little bit of consolidation. I would look for a place to be a buyer. This is our support here. Right here on the 15-minute time frame. Using the EMA as a guide here on the way up. So we do have a 5-minute uptrend. Candle ranges on this 5-minute are fairly big. 5 minutes till the market opens. As ACIU attempting a 5-minute trend change before the bell. And NVAX, yeah, NVAX, you know, we have ourselves a line here that we're coming up to. So definitely need to get over $11. First, we need to get over this area. Gosh, man, the problem with not preparing, because with a transfer over to Schwab, I had to set things up. So it kind of cut into my time. I usually like to start around 5 o'clock and start breaking these down. Give myself a chance to settle in a bit. I'm not really settled in right now, so I don't know. I probably won't. I don't know. I might not trade in that first 1 minute if I don't see something real obvious. This one here, yeah, I might wait a little bit and let things develop. This is we have three green candles up in the hourly time frame. It's a 15-minute uptrend. We have a support down here. Anything above 334 is a higher low on a pullback. 5-minute uptrend on this one. Beautiful uptrend with higher lows all the way up. We're still in an uptrend on the 1 minute, so we're trending up on all 4 of these time frames on AMC. Candle ranges are not huge, but the price is right. Okay, so about a minute and a half to go. And 1 minute countdown begins. Possible breakout. Yep. Right here. This one's just going to go before the open. On Friday, after I stopped my live stream, I traded one more time and had an explosive trade on a stock that put me up 1.5 times my daily goal. My daily goal is $20. Can we get over 340 on this? Let's see if I can trade here. I am curious. The market is now open. Huh. Order was rejected. Rejected again. Says I don't have the available buying power. Well, that's interesting. I wonder if they didn't finish. Just take a test trade over here on this one. Same thing. Well, I know I have the buying power, so yeah. Oh man, I would love to take a trade here off of this support. Maybe. It'd be worth it for a quick bounce. Huh. Well, I'm trading with $26,825 in my account. So you can't tell me I don't have the buying power. That doesn't make sense. I'm just trying to buy 24 shares of a $3 stock. So, you know. Folks, it looks like I may not be trading today. So I can't take a trade on that one either. I'm sitting here trying to trade AMC. It's not letting me. I'm going to try NVAX. Not letting me there either. All right, well, this is a bust. Today is not going to happen. So I think what I'm going to do is give Schwab a call right now. And I'll see if I can get it figured out. I'm not going to end the live stream just yet, but I am going to place this on hold and I'll take a break and give them a call. I'll be back shortly. Okay, test. All right, I'm back. I figured it out. So I should be able to trade now. Missed a bunch of good moves, though. Gosh dang it. RIVN. Okay. Never did check out CEI. Oh. All right. Now, see, I am able to place a trade? No? Well, that's weird. I did a test trade earlier and it worked. Oh, I think maybe GameStop just got halted. So, okay. RIVN is moving up. Okay. Let's take AMC here off of the volume weighted average price. Okay, so there I got filled. Oh, I don't have my order set up for this one. 22, I thought I did, but I did, but yeah, another thing that happened is my platform closed down while I was talking to the representative from Schwab. I don't like that one so much. Okay. Oh, see, I don't have that one set up either. Oh, God. Okay. That 1 minute candle is about to close. Oh, no, I got in too high. I guess I had to get in high because it's just going. Good deal. I'm watching NVAX over there. NVAX, I got that orange line. I'm going to get rid of that. What we have here is a failure to communicate. Let's go ahead and jump in this. This looks good to go. Coming up to $10 though. GME, GameStop was halted. At 6:35, 6:49 actually. So resumption should be at 6:54. So we got our 5 minute higher low on NVAX. We have a high of 10:30. Looking at the larger time frame, 15 minute. We had those 3 candles up. A rejection off of 10:30. Daily time frame. Yeah, we had that big red day the other day. $10 here. A lot of buying at $10, but oh, big rejection. Oh man, this one's just going. Got over that red candle, coming up to $11. Let's see if we can get up to 11 here. I think GameStop just got halted again. A lot of buyers at 355 on AMC, 1,000. But boy, it didn't hold up there. Oh, CCLD is hitting the scan. That was on the gap scanner this morning. Big mover right now. Just had a big drop. All right, let's see if we can get over $10 here. This one here, we had that descending line. We got over it. Looking for a 5-minute higher low. We got to pull back now on the 5-minute time frame. It's an inside bar on the 15. Big red candle on the daily, which has me a little concerned. Oh, I should have held on to CCLD there. Getting it a little bit higher than what I was, but I want to see what it'll do. It might get over that red candle, and then it could just really move up from there. Got a high of pre-market all the way up at 265. Damn, that was a big move over here on GME, that halt resumption. Okay, my profit is not updating. I have to fix my profit scanner. What it's doing is taking screenshots of the profit that's showing on the Schwab website. It's a Thinkorswim web, but it isn't updating, and I'm a little disappointed by that. So I got to figure out how to fix that, because that's part of my max loss system, and if that doesn't work and I hit my max loss, it's not going to effectively shut my computers down, because that's what's supposed to happen when I hit my max loss. Right now, I'm up $13.36. My daily goal is $20. And I got a couple of bugs to work out here on this. So I think I'm probably going to end it right there. I mean, a lot of nice momentum today. Big move here on GME. This is basically what got me up to 13. I got in here as it got halted in a great big resumption. This thing's just on fire today. Crazy on fire. Oops, a little late there. I tried to jump in this real quick as it was moving up, and I was a little late on the trigger. CCLD. I like the idea of a double bottom here. Let's see if we can hold up. Low of that candle is 196. Got a resistance up here at 211. Nice big move. Wish I would have got in with more size. I'm going to put my stop loss down here at break even. We're just a little bit below. Okay, watch this one here. Got to get over $10. Just taking small share size. Looking to buy a pullback, maybe down to 93 if it'll get down there. Let's get back in this over here. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, I wasn't watching NVAX. Look at it go. This one here keeps tricking me out. No. Let's stay out of that. We got a support down here. That could be where we bounce. There we go. That was a nice move. Okay, I'm watching this one. CCLD. I don't know, it might pull back again. Oh, it did. That was a nice break. Wow, she's just taking off now and going. Boom. Finally broke out. That's what I was looking for when I was in it down here. But man, it's just taking forever to go. I was worried about a rejection, and oh, here it comes now. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to stop right there. This time I am for sure stopping. And that's going to be it for me. So I'm up $17.51. Let me see. If I go to here. Oops. Yeah, you can see. Let me see here. Let me see. I don't know how to do this. Well, I can't really do it. I don't think. I mean, I'd really like to get to 20. That's my daily goal. But what I'm worried about is taking a loss, dropping back below 1751. And I mean, I'm not worried. It's just I don't want that to happen. But I am interested. I mean, it's a pretty nice momentum day. Look at all this green volume on this. Jeez. Oh yeah, look at that. We're up above 50 now. There we go. Okay, I'm at $20.16. I hit my daily goal. Now I'm done. So now I'm going to stop. That's the end for me. I wish there was a way I could show my profit. I am going to work on that. I just don't see how I can really do that right now. Let me just try something just real quick. See what happens here. Yeah, it's not updating. Okay, I know what I can do. This is going to close out my platform because I really want to prove that. Oh, let me see. It shows there. Yeah, okay. Let's just do this. It's going to close out my platform. Unless I hit start again. Oh, there we go. Hit start again. All right, so yeah. So there we are. So now it shows $20.16. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm going to fix it. But that's it for me today. Riches for my britches right here. May 13th. Oh, yes. One thing I like to do at the end of these is go to my full screen here, pull up this. This is a look at my profit for the last 2 days. Hitting $2.62 on day one, $25.89 on day two. Today I'm going to finish at 2016, and I had a low this morning. I was never red. It was never red, and I finished at my high. That's pretty amazing. So there we go. So now I'm up $49 in 3 days, and I'm trying to make $293 in 40 days. Right, so right now I'm averaging about $16 per day. So that would put me at about 20 days, less than 20 days, if I were to keep this up. Now, obviously, I'm going to have some red days. Those are coming. Red days are part of the deal. So that's going to seriously drop that average down. But for now, it's looking good. I like starting out green in my first, at the beginning of my $1 million challenge. Way to go. We'll see you next time right here at Riches for My Britches. Take care. Bye.